How to earn $100,000 plus per year with blogs. Blogging involves creating and publishing written content on a blog platform on topics of interest to a target audience. It's perfect for individuals passionate about a particular subject who enjoy writing and sharing their thoughts and expertise. Pros: can be a fun creative outlet that grows your authority. Potential to earn money through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Ability for bloggers to build a loyal readership. Cons: need for consistent content creation. Time investment in building audience and traffic. Competition in the blogging space. How to start. The key thing to decide is what platform you will write your blog on, as each one has different distribution and monetization options. You could create your own website and try to get traffic from Google or social media. Or you could publish articles on Medium or LinkedIn to access their built-in audience. Whichever option you choose, consider growing your email list so you can promote each new article to an existing audience. Common ways to monetize a blog audience include charging a subscription, showing ads, promoting affiliate links, offering freelance services to readers, promoting a course, or selling digital products. Here's a model case study. Be aware this case study is extremely positively skewed towards having a massive attentive following or established brand. You'll most likely earn $30,000 to $120,000 per year.